have a fair idea that this is something that's going to be needed all over Ireland.
You want to break in on them when they're swimming that way?
But if it's a rule that is noon before 9 a.m., yes. I mean, we came in here already.
You'll swim it as well?
Yes, I will.
Sometimes I can't understand what makes me the fool then you touch my hand. Go out outside the corner, into darkness. I was left alone. May I return to the beginning? The light is dimming, and the dream is
I'm a pub narrator, and I sing the parts that the dancers and the other actors and singers are doing on the stage.
I think it could have avoided the present spillage.
What more could I ask? There's nothing left to be desired.
About 3 minutes past 6, 4 minutes past 6, and the first of the Turkish troops have landed in Cyprus. About...
Consumer Agency on 1890 432 or visit consumerconnect.ie. The National Consumer Agency, putting consumers first.
Your kind of life and the friends you share it with. Star Chic has something to share with you. It's the newest, glossy Saturday magazine, and it's free inside your Saturday Star. It's got fashion, beauty, celeb gossip,